The potential impact of BlackRock and Fidelity's Bitcoin ETFs on the cryptocurrency market. A comprehensive overview. Introduction. Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs have been a subject of interest and contention in the financial world for a decade, facing regulatory hurdles and occasional setbacks. The recent application for a Bitcoin ETF by BlackRock in June 2023 has reignited optimism for a breakthrough in the U.S. market. This article explores the current landscape of Bitcoin ETFs, the history of their development, the significance of BlackRock and Fidelity's applications, and the potential impact on the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Bitcoin ETFs, an overview. Bitcoin ETFs are investment funds traded on stock exchanges that mirror the price movements of Bitcoin, providing investors with a convenient way to participate in its fluctuations without directly owning the cryptocurrency. The three main types of Bitcoin ETFs include physically backed, synthetic backed, and crypto-adjacent ETFs, each aiming to closely track Bitcoin's price. Current Bitcoin ETFs worldwide. While Bitcoin ETFs have gained approval globally, progress in the United States has been limited, with only synthetic-backed and crypto-adjacent ETFs receiving regulatory clearance. Notably, Canada took the lead in 2021 with the approval of the Purpose Bitcoin ETF, providing public access to this innovative investment vehicle. This article provides a list of top Bitcoin ETFs in the USA, Australia, Canada, Germany, and Brazil. The evolution of Bitcoin ETFs and regulatory hurdles. The pursuit of a Bitcoin ETF in the United States faced consistent regulatory rejection, with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, citing concerns about fraud prevention, market manipulation, and investor protection. However, the landscape shifted in June 2023 when BlackRock, the world's largest asset management firm, submitted an application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. This move spurred other financial firms, including Fidelity, Invesco, VanEck, and ARK Investment Management, to follow suit. BlackRock's filing and subsequent challenges. BlackRock's application addressed past concerns raised by the SEC and proposed measures to enhance security and market surveillance. Despite initial optimism, the SEC on June 30th expressed concerns about the clarity and comprehensiveness of filings from BlackRock, Fidelity, and other players. BlackRock undauntedly resubmitted its filings, signaling potential progress in the pursuit of a spot Bitcoin ETF. Significance of BlackRock and Fidelity's Bitcoin ETFs. If BlackRock and Fidelity's spot Bitcoin ETFs receive regulatory clearance in the U.S., they are expected to bring several advantages and opportunities to the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Increased accessibility. Spot Bitcoin ETFs would provide a regulated avenue for traditional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin, attracting a broader range of investors. Market validation. Regulatory approval from trusted financial giants like BlackRock and Fidelity would validate Bitcoin as an investment asset class, potentially attracting more mainstream acceptance. Market efficiency. The introduction of spot Bitcoin ETFs could enhance market efficiency by allowing investors to trade Bitcoin through a familiar and regulated exchange environment. Portfolio diversification. Investors could diversify their portfolios by including exposure to Bitcoin, reducing risk, and potentially enhancing overall portfolio performance. Market growth. BlackRock's filing alone resulted in a surge in Bitcoin prices, indicating the potential for market growth upon regulatory approval. However, concerns exist regarding the concentration of power and influence in the hands of financial giants. Concerns and criticisms. Despite the potential benefits, there are concerns associated with BlackRock and Fidelity's Bitcoin ETFs. Influence on Bitcoin's direction. BlackRock's filing includes a provision giving the firm the power to determine the appropriate network in the event of a hard fork, potentially influencing Bitcoin's direction. Concentration of power. The dominance of financial giants in the spot Bitcoin ETF market raises concerns about the concentration of power and influence, potentially limiting the decentralization ideals associated with cryptocurrencies. Conclusion. The pursuit of a Bitcoin ETF in the United States has been a decade-long journey marked by regulatory challenges and occasional setbacks. BlackRock and Fidelity's recent applications have injected optimism into the market, presenting potential benefits such as increased accessibility, market validation, efficiency, portfolio diversification, and overall market growth. However, concerns about influencing Bitcoin's direction and concentration of power highlight the need for a cautious approach, emphasizing the importance of balancing increased accessibility with maintaining the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies.